Let's talk about the latest launched Google smartphone Pixel 9a with sleek design. Now let's talk about the specifications of this smartphone. Firstly, talk about the display of this smartphone. This phone features with OLED display, 6.3 inches Full HD plus punch hole display, resolution of 1080 by 2424 pixels, approximately 83.5% screen-to-body ratio, 20:9 aspect ratio. Approximately 422.2 ppi pixel density, 2700 nits peak brightness, 120 Hz refresh rate, HDR color quality support, and with Corning Gorilla Glass 3 protection. And now talk about the camera of this smartphone. The smartphone with dual camera setup on the rear that includes 48 megapixel 25mm Samsung GN8 sensor wide-angle main camera with aperture 1.7 and support optical image stabilization, along with 13 megapixel Sony IMX712 sensor ultra-wide-angle camera with aperture 2.2 and dual LED flash. For selfies it has 13 megapixel 20mm Sony IMX712 sensor ultra-wide-angle centered punch hole front-facing camera with aperture 2.2, video recording maximum 4K at 30/60 fps on rear camera, and 4K at 30 fps on front camera. For the software, the handset turns on Android 15 operating system screen on top the device, and the company provides up to 7 years of OS security and pixel drop updates. Under the hood, the phone CPU is octa-core 3.1 GHz single-core Cortex X4 plus 2.6 GHz tri-core Cortex A720 plus 1.9 GHz quad-core Cortex A520, powered by Google Tensor G4, 4nm chipset, paired with Mali G715 MP7 GPU. In terms of storage, the smartphone plugs with 8 GB of LPDDR5X RAM, and 128 GB, 256 GB of UFS 3.1 onboard storage, no microSD card slot. The physical dimensions of the smartphone measures at 154.7 by 73.3 by 8.9 mm. And it weighs around 186 grams, and the color options, obsidian, porcelain, iris, peony colors too. See in this smartphone, and the device comes backed by a massive 5100 mAh battery with 23 watt wired fast charging, 7.5 watt wireless charging support. Additionally, the smartphone also features under-display fingerprint sensor for biometric authentication with face unlock. The connectivity option on the phone includes dual SIM 5G, tri-band, Wi-Fi 6E, Bluetooth 5.3, GPS L1 plus L5, USB Type-C audio jack, with stereo speakers support, USB Type-C 3.2 charging port, IP68 dust-tight and water-resistant, and with NFC support. So now let's have a look at the pricing details of the smartphone. The Google Pixel 9a has been starting price for 8 GB plus 128 GB storage variant at $499, while 8 GB plus 256 GB storage variant at 49,999 Indian rupees. Conclusion: so what do you guys think of this Google Pixel 9a smartphone? Do let us know in the comments section below, and subscribe for more tech updates. Thanks for watching. We'll see you guys in our next video.